Good morning, Miss Helen here. I hope you are ready to learn about capacity, and I hope that so far your digital learning day is going well. I hate that I cannot see you in person today, but I'm thankful for the technology that we have in order to continue learning. So today we're going to talk about capacity, and as I said in my introduction, capacity is how much something holds. So I have 3 different objects here, and I have a cup of water. Now I need to see if 1 cup of water looks exactly the same in all 3 cups. So I have a little cup, a medium-sized cup, and a large cup. Now, if I pour this cup of water into my first cup, I can see that the capacity of my cup is almost full. So when we talk about capacity, we have empty, full, half full, almost full. So there's different levels of capacity based on how full or empty your container is. So this container, this first glass, is almost full. That's the capacity with 1 cup in it. Now if I take this 1 cup and I pour it into this cup without making a mess, I can see that my capacity is different. So now this cup is half full. 1 cup, I have the same amount of water, almost, got a little on the table, that I did in this cup, but there's a different level of capacity because this object is shaped differently. It's taller and it's larger. So this cup is going to hold more water than this cup, therefore it has a larger capacity. So the capacity with 1 cup in here is half full. Now, if I put it in this cup, do you think that it's going to be half full? Is it going to be higher? We're going to be at the same line, right? Because that's the same amount of water? I don't know. Let's see. No spilling this time. Oh, there we go. Alright, so when I put it in my largest cup, my largest container, you can see that it's pretty empty, okay? So this would be mostly empty. Now, I had the same amount of water in each cup, so they should have all been at the same line, right? No. Because my containers are shaped differently, they're larger, the shape is differently. You can see this one's taller, this one's wider, okay? There's a different level of capacity to each cup because of the way the cup is shaped. So it holds a different amount of water based on the shape. So this one we would say is almost empty. Now, what if I were to get some more water? I have some more water here, and I'm going to pour it into my measuring cup. I'm going to see how many cups it takes to fill up this one, this largest cup. So I have 1 cup in there. Now I have 2 cups. So what would you say my capacity is now? About halfway? Half full? Okay. So I'm going to pour another cup. So 3 cups. Now, how would I describe this capacity? It's closer to the top, but it's not full yet. So I would say this is almost full. A little bit more water over here. I'm going to pour it into my cup. Okay. Now pouring it in here. That is right up to the tippy top. So this cup is now full, and it takes 4 cups to fill up this largest cup that I have. Now, if I were to empty it in here, which I'm not going to do because I know I would make a mess, it would not take 4 cups to fill up this cup because the capacity of this cup is smaller. And the capacity of this cup is even smaller. So our capacity is the different levels of what a container can hold based on how large or small the container is. Now, I want you to think about something. We're going to do an experiment tomorrow. Do you think that if I had just used this 1 cup, that it would hold the same amount of water and the same amount of beans? What if I had a cup of water and a cup of beans? Would they come up to the same line? I don't know. What do you think? Put it in the discussion post below and we will find out tomorrow. Bye guys.